Ever wondered how to travel within Switzerland, the land of alpine landscapes and charming cities? Well, you're about to discover the ins and outs of traversing this picturesque nation, known for its efficient, reliable, and accessible transportation system. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a curious explorer, Switzerland offers an unforgettable journey with its unique modes of transport. Let's start with the backbone of Swiss travel: the trains, renowned for their punctuality and comfort. Then, there are the buses, seamlessly connecting the urban and rural landscapes. And how could we forget the boats? They offer a serene experience, cruising through Switzerland's stunning lakes. Lastly, for those who enjoy a bit more freedom, we'll delve into the world of car travel, exploring the scenic Swiss roads and highways. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey through the Swiss travel system. Switzerland boasts of one of the most efficient train networks in the world, and it's not just a claim. The Swiss Federal Railways, often referred to by its German acronym SBB, is a testament to Swiss precision and efficiency. Spanning over a whopping 15,000 kilometers, it connects even the most remote corners of the country, making every Swiss city, town, and village accessible and easy to reach. Now, let's talk about the Swiss Travel Pass, a true boon for explorers. This all-in-one ticket offers unlimited travel on the SBB network, including buses and boats, for a period ranging from 3 days to a month. And it doesn't stop there. The Swiss Travel Pass also grants free entry to over 500 museums and exhibitions across the country. Imagine having the freedom to hop on and off trains at your leisure, exploring the Swiss countryside, picturesque towns, and vibrant cities without worrying about tickets or schedules. Speaking of schedules, Swiss trains are well known for their punctuality. The locals often joke that you can set your watch by the arrival and departure of the trains, and it's not an exaggeration. With trains running like clockwork, you can plan your journeys down to the minute. Frequency is another feature where Swiss trains excel. In most cases, trains run every half an hour, ensuring you're never left waiting. And when it comes to comfort, Swiss trains offer clean, well-maintained carriages, free Wi-Fi, and on some routes, even dining options. Let's not forget the scenic train routes that Switzerland is famous for. From the panoramic Glacier Express to the enchanting Bernina Express, these routes offer breathtaking views of the Swiss Alps, deep valleys, and pristine lakes, making the journey as exciting as the destination. In Switzerland, train travel is not just about reaching your destination, it's an experience in itself. So, when you're in Switzerland, do as the Swiss do. Hop on a train, sit back, and watch the stunning Swiss landscape unfold before your eyes. For those hard-to-reach mountainous regions, Switzerland offers a well-connected bus service. Let's talk about the Postbus service, the leading bus company in Switzerland, which operates over 2,000 routes across the country. Whether you're heading to a remote alpine village or a bustling town, Postbus has got you covered. Now picture this. You're nestled comfortably in your seat as the bus winds its way through breathtaking landscapes, past azure lakes and charming chalets, up to towering snow-capped peaks. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's an immersive journey through the heart of Switzerland. But how does bus travel complement train travel in Switzerland? Well, while trains connect the larger cities and towns, buses fill in the gaps, reaching the nooks and crannies of the country the rail network doesn't touch. So even if your destination isn't on the train map, there's a good chance a postbus can take you there. Now let's talk convenience. With a Swiss Travel Pass, you have unlimited access to not just trains but also postbuses. Just hop on, show your pass, and you're good to go. No need to worry about buying separate tickets or missing your connection. It's seamless travel made easy. And what about affordability? Bus fares in Switzerland are generally lower than train fares, making it a budget-friendly option. Plus, many postbus routes are included in the Swiss travel system, meaning you can travel on them at no additional cost with a valid Swiss Travel Pass. So whether you're an adventure seeker looking to hit the hiking trails, a culture enthusiast keen on exploring quaint hamlets, or simply a traveler wanting to soak up the stunning Swiss scenery, the bus is a fantastic way to get around. Remember, in Switzerland, the journey is as important as the destination. And with the Postbus service, that journey promises to be a memorable one, full of picture-perfect moments and awe-inspiring vistas. So, when in Switzerland, don't miss out on the scenic bus rides. Want to experience Switzerland's scenic beauty from a different perspective? Try boat travel. Switzerland is not just about snow-capped mountains and picturesque train rides. It also boasts an extensive network of boat services that offer a unique vantage point for admiring the country's stunning landscapes. Whether it's cruising on the serene Lake Geneva or navigating the fast-flowing Rhine River, every journey on water promises an unforgettable experience. Now you might be wondering, how do these boat services integrate with Switzerland's famed train and bus network? Well, the Swiss have made it incredibly easy. Most of the major lakes and rivers in Switzerland are served by regular passenger boats, and many of the boat docks are conveniently located near bus or train stations. This seamless integration means you can easily transition from land to water travel. But what about tickets? Fret not, because Switzerland has you covered with the Swiss Boat Pass. Just like the Swiss Travel Pass, the Boat Pass offers unlimited travel on boats across the country for a set number of days. It's an excellent choice for those who plan to explore Switzerland extensively by boat. Beyond the convenience of unlimited travel, the Swiss Boat Pass also gives you the freedom to hop on and off as you please. This means you can disembark at any charming lakeside town that catches your fancy, spend a few hours exploring, and then catch the next boat to continue your journey. And let's not forget the boats themselves. From historic paddle steamers to modern motor vessels, Swiss boats are known for their comfort and elegance. Many boats also offer onboard dining options, allowing you to indulge in some delicious Swiss cuisine while basking in the panoramic views. So, whether you're soaking up the sun on the deck, feasting on a gourmet meal, or simply gazing out at the enchanting scenery, every moment on a Swiss boat is a moment to cherish. Boat travel in Switzerland is truly a unique and rewarding experience. For the ultimate freedom and flexibility, consider traveling by car in Switzerland. Exploring Switzerland by car allows you to set your own pace, choosing when and where to stop, whether it's a quaint alpine village or a panoramic mountain viewpoint. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the Swiss landscape, taking the road less traveled, and discovering hidden gems off the beaten track. Of course, car travel comes with its own set of challenges. Navigating Swiss roads requires a good sense of direction and a trusty GPS. Keep in mind that mountain passes can be narrow and winding, and winter conditions may call for snow chains. Always check the local weather conditions and road regulations before setting off on your journey. One essential thing to remember when driving in Switzerland is the motorway vignette. This is a sticker that must be displayed on your windshield if you plan on using the Swiss motorways. It's a yearly fee and can be purchased at most petrol stations and post offices. Don't forget to buy one, as the fines for not having it can be steep. But don't let these considerations deter you. The rewards of car travel in Switzerland are immense. Think of it as your ticket to freedom, allowing you to explore the country's most scenic routes at your leisure. From the picturesque shores of Lake Geneva to the stunning alpine landscapes of the Bernese Oberland, the possibilities are endless. Consider taking the Grand Tour of Switzerland, a scenic route spanning more than 1,600 kilometers, showcasing the country's diverse landscapes and cultural richness. Or perhaps the romantic route, a journey through charming medieval towns and lush vineyards. And let's not forget the iconic Furka Pass featured in the classic James Bond film Goldfinger. It's a thrilling drive with hairpin turns and breathtaking views of the Rhone Glacier. Traveling by car in Switzerland offers an unforgettable journey through the heart of this beautiful country. So pack your bags, buckle up, and get ready for the road trip of a lifetime. So whether you prefer the comfort of trains, the accessibility of buses, the uniqueness of boats, or the freedom of cars, Switzerland has got you covered. As we've journeyed through this video, we've discovered the amazing diversity of the Swiss transportation system. The swift and punctual Swiss trains offering breathtaking views of the countryside. B-roll change buses that efficiently connect even the most remote Swiss villages. B-roll change boats, allowing you to explore Switzerland's stunning lakes in a unique and serene way. B-roll change, and of course cars, providing the freedom to roam at your own pace, discovering hidden gems along the way. Switzerland's efficient and diverse transportation system truly makes it a traveler's paradise. It's a place where every journey, every route, every mode of transport is an experience in itself. B-roll change. So don't just plan your destinations, plan your journeys too, because here, every path has a story to tell. Remember, in Switzerland, the journey is as beautiful as the destination. Happy travels!